Do-do-do. Taking the old one apart. Taking the old one apart. We have some bolts. We have some bolts. New rocker arm. Old rocker arm. Buzzed. 4 o'clock. I think this would just pop right out. Yep, popped right out. Plastic daily. This goes that side. Okay, take that bolt. Not exactly sure how that metal piece comes off. Now we put it on the other one. It'd be nice if it was a screw on, unless this is not the exact same. It is. It is. So how do you get that off of there? Or you do not get that off of there. Pops off? Yep, just popped off. Like a clam. Old. Looks good though. A little warped. See, that's perfectly flat. Yeah, these look pretty nasty. I mean, I can wipe them down, I guess. Just wipe them down. Where is all the paper towels? There you go. I don't have a wire brush. Oh, do I have a wire brush? Do I have a wire brush? I think the most important stuff is the rubber. What is this? Okay. Hope somebody remembers how to do this. Look how old this parts tape is. I couldn't find this brand new, but this was on eBay. This kit. They go for about 130. This guy on eBay was selling it for 70. We kind of got lucky. They offered him 45 and he took it. Now, because of that, or buy a whole brand new one. Now, I'm not too sure this is going to work. That is the tough part. Okay, so see, what's this rubber thing just come off? Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh. No, I don't get it. Okay. I don't get it. Probably just grease. Grease. They packed it full of grease. Think this matters what side you pick? It's just a rubber dibble doop, dude. I don't think it matters. I don't think it matters what side you pick. I don't think it matters. You're forgetting something. Oh, see that? It don't go in there. Heh. Oh, okay. Never mind. There's the new bolt. Went on here like this. Don't have to use the old bolt. We'll use a new bolt. That wasn't supposed to fall off. Why you fall off? Why did you just fall off? Not a wise man. Just a man. Tightened. So, like so. So, this sucks that this fell off. What the hell? I don't like that. We're just putting this like that. This is like so. Doesn't look like they gave us extra screws for this part. That's probably why this. I think this has already been done. That's why those screws look old. The other ones look kind of new. This has been done before. Before my time. Does this come out of here? See, this is. This is different. Damn it. They're slightly different. This don't come out. That one does. I don't think it's broke. Semi broke. This part. new. What isn't here is a grate. I think I need some sort of filter before it gets into this shit, because I think what's happening is shit gets in there and makes it a mess. And it gets clogged and then rips the rubber. Now, do you see what way this goes back on? Did you see the way it goes back on? No. I think it matters. Wait, well, there's that. The lines of the old kind of match up. All the holes line up. Oh shit, there's no hole. I guess we just rip right through it. Just rip right through it. So there's no hole in the rubber. I think we're just gonna screw right through the rubber. Oh, that's why it's got a point on the end of the screw. It's not a bolt, it's a screw. Man, we are just, oh crap, what's this for? Well, this didn't come out of nothing. I don't know what this is for, because this didn't come out the other thing yet. Oh, it's on the motor. There you go. Bam. It's just a private vibration against the bracket. Just nasty. There's probably pissing shit. Pissing in the shower. That's disgusting. I don't want to touch it anymore. Alright. Upside down. One goes upside down. One goes right side up. Whoop. Push and pulls. Push and pulls. Then this, which I wish I was able to give me a new one. Not digging that. It just kind of slides right in there and holds it in place. And then which is a good question. I don't know which side is which. Upside down or right side up. So if you there used to be a arrow out. This is the out. This is the in. I don't know, man. We're just gonna guess, and then when it all goes to hell, we'll take it apart and do it the other way. Okay, that being said, this goes on top. Ta-da! Really should have taken more pictures. Especially since I think I put that on backwards. Okay, this stays on here, and I put that on backwards. I think this arrow points out. So think it could go on either way. Yeah, either way. Oh, no, that don't matter either. That's not the point. The point is, this has to go in here. Putting it back on. And then this, I have to flip around. Super easy. Okay, done. Oh, stop it. Oh man. Oh. Bang it in there. It's not going in. That's not fun, dude. Hammers are never good. Alright, I'm taking it apart. I don't understand why it's not going in. Most of the time, I guess, if you need to bang it with a hammer, you probably did something wrong. Yep, moral of this story. The thing inside wasn't, that little thing that I wish was replaced, that they didn't give me a new one, wasn't seated correctly. So worst case scenario is I put them little circles in backwards. This little gasket didn't really need to be replaced, but we'll replace it. This damn thing fell out again. I'm digging why that's not. Why it keeps falling out. There you go. Let's just hope that's good. And then what?